Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Frigidaire 3-in-1 portable air conditioner suddenly stops cooling the room properly and warm air starts replacing the cool airflow you expected, it can absolutely frustrating especially during hotter days. Sometimes the Frigidaire 3-in-1 portable air conditioner keeps running but the room temperature barely changes, while other times cooling starts normally and then suddenly feels weaker than before. A situation like this can happen because of airflow restrictions, incorrect settings, moisture buildup, or temporary system interruptions that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many Frigidaire 3-in-1 portable air conditioner cooling problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a Frigidaire 3-in-1 portable air conditioner not cooling. Try these. Step 1. Lower the temperature setting on the Frigidaire 3-in-1 portable air conditioner and confirm cool mode stays active. Step 2. Clean the filter inside the Frigidaire 3-in-1 portable air conditioner if airflow feels weaker than usual. Step 3. Check vents around the Frigidaire 3-in-1 portable air conditioner for blocked airflow or obstructions. Step 4. Empty collected water from the Frigidaire 3-in-1 portable air conditioner if moisture buildup appears excessive. Step 5. Restart the Frigidaire 3-in-1 portable air conditioner briefly to refresh cooling performance. Step 6. Test the Frigidaire 3-in-1 portable air conditioner again and confirm cooler airflow returns normally.